Dear boys, welcome to my online class. I hope you all are well at your respective houses during this corona pandemic. Boys, we are passing too much crisis time. In this time, it is essential to protect yourself. So don't go outside, stay at home, and stay safe. I am Pradipta Kumar, Assistant Professor of Zoology, Boshal Cadet College. Boys, you can see a picture. Look, this is our two important organ in our body, and this is through duct. By this duct, some liquid substance goes to this organ, and after the time, this substance is flowed through this duct, and this is the location of this organ in our body. So this is bean-shaped organ, and this is too much important. So I think you can understand what is my today's topic. Yes, my today's topic is excretory system of human body. My today's lesson is for class 10, and this lesson included of chapter 8, and the name of the chapter is excretory system. At the end of this class, you will be able to explain the structure and functions of kidney, explain the structure and functions of nephron, evaluate the formation of kidney stones, remedies, and prevention. Explain the role of dialysis to maintain the normal functions of the kidney. Explain the concept of kidney transplantation. Now, excretory system. The system which helps in the excretion of animal body is called excretory system. The excretory system is also known as urinary system or renal system. So, excretory system is also called urinary system or renal system. Now, what is excretion? The process through which nitrogen in this excretory product produced due to metabolism is eliminated from the body is called excretion. So, excretion is a physiological process. By this process, the nitrogen in this product, which is produced in our body, this nitrogenous waste product expel out from our body. This is called excretion. This system consists of ureter, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. So, excretory system consists of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Look, boys, look at this picture. This is kidney, and this tube is called ureter, and this sac-like structure is called urinary bladder, and the last part is called urethra. By this duct, the nitrogen excretory product expel out from our body. Now, kidney, it is bean shaped. Usually, the left kidney is slightly above than the right kidney. Its length is 11 cm, wideness 6 cm, and thickness 3 cm. And its weight is 125 to 170 gram in male, but in female, its weight is 115 to 155 gram in female. So, the male kidney is slightly weight than female, and the outer side of this kidney is convex type and the inner side is concave. Internal structure of kidney. In longitudinal section, if you cut this kidney, then you will get two distinct regions. The outer region is called cortex and inner side is called medulla. The cortex contains glomeruli, renal corpuscles, and part of nephron. Medulla is composed of tubular parts of nephrons and blood vessel. So it is the structural and functional unit of kidney, that is called nephron. So it is the first part, and the this is the rest of the part. Functions of the kidneys: excrete toxins and nitrogenous waste products. So toxin and nitrogenous waste products removed from our body by kidney, regulate chemical levels in blood, maintain water balance, and a normal adult man expels almost 1500 ml urine daily. This is the location figure of kidney. Look, this is our kidney. Look, this is kidney, and this is fat body. Actually, this is not fat body, lacks a fat body, but it is one kind of a gland that's name is adrenal gland. And this is renal artery, and this is renal artery. Red color is renal artery, and this is the green color is renal vein. Look, this is the section of kidney. This is ureter, and its first part is swollen type, swollen, that's funnel shape, that is called pelvis. Look, this is ureter. This ureter is open into bladder, and this is urethra. Nephron. The basic unit of structure and function of kidney is called nephron. So this is the structure of nephron, and each kidney consists of 10 lakhs nephron. Its length is 3 centimeter. Each nephron consists of two parts: Malpighian body or renal corpuscle and renal tubules. This is called Malpighian body or renal corpuscle, and this is renal tubules. Malpighian body. The anterior most and cup-like swollen portion of the nephron is called Malpighian body. So this is cup-like, the anterior part of a nephron, which is cup shape, that is called Malpighian body. It consists of Bowman's capsule, renal capsule, and glomerulus. So this green color is called Bowman's capsule, and here there is a capillaries, that is called glomerulus. So glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, these are commonly known as Malpighian body. The tubular portion of the nephron extending from posterior end of the Malpighian body to the collecting duct is called convoluted tubule or renal tubule. This tubule is called renal tubule or convoluted tubule. So this first, it is 3 centimeter long and 20 to 60 micron broad. The total length of all the renal tubules of the two kidneys is approximately 72 kilometers long. So the first part, which is green color, that is called proximal convoluted tubule, and this U-shaped is called loop of Henle, and this is called distal convoluted tubule, and this is called collecting duct. Now it is divided into four parts: proximal convoluted tubule. So this is proximal convoluted tubule, which is attached with Bowman's capsule, and which is U-shaped, that is called loop of Henle, according to scientist Frederick Henry. And then this is distal convoluted tubule. So this pink color is called distal convoluted tubule, and the yellow color duct, that is called collecting duct. Proximal convoluted tubule. It starts from the Bowman's capsule and makes a few coils in the cortex. It is the longest and widest part of the convoluted tubules, whose length is 14 millimeter and diameter is 60 micrometer. So this is proximal convoluted tubule. Its wall is formed of a single layer of cuboidal cells. Loop of Henle. This is loop of Henle. It is U-shaped duct which starts from the proximal convoluted tubule. The loop is named after the name of Frederick Henle. Distal convoluted tubule. The long, less coiled or convoluted portion of the tubule next to the ascending limb of the loop of Henle is called distal convoluted tubule. So this part is called distal convoluted tubule. This duct opens into the collecting duct. So this duct opens into collecting duct. This is collecting duct. Collecting duct. The last portion of the nephron next to distal convoluted tubules is called collecting duct. So this yellow color duct is called collecting duct. The distal convoluted tubule opens in collecting duct. Its wall is made of cuboidal epithelium cell. Some collecting ducts joins together to form the duct of Bellini in the medulla region, which opens in the renal pelvis. Ureter. A thin muscular tube arises from each kidney and proceeds downwards to open into the urinary bladder is called ureter. So this is ureter. Its number is 2. It is about 25 centimeter long, so its length is 25 centimeter. The point of origin of each ureter is swollen and is known as pelvis. So the first portion is swollen, which is attached with kidney, that is called pelvis. The ureter has a muscular valve. So there is a muscular valve in the joining of ureter, and it's open into the urinary bladder. So here is a muscular valve. Urinary bladder. It is a single thin-walled muscular elastic bag. This yellow color bag-like structure is called urinary bladder. It is muscular elastic bag. It can store 700 to 750 ml of urine. The lowest part of the urinary bladder is called neck. So this portion is called neck, which is surrounded by sphincters, which remains closed until the time of micturition. Micturition means the expel out of urine from our body is called micturition. Urethra. The structure and location of urethra is different in male and female. In male, it is common duct. I mean, sperm and urine also both are expelled out from this duct, that is called urethra. But in female, it is different. In male, it is originated from the posterior part of the urinary bladder and passes through the penis, which opens outside by a slit. Its length is 18 to 20 centimeter. But in female, urethra opens outside by a separate slit. Its length is 3.5 to 4 centimeter. Composition of urine. Urine composed of water, urea, uric acid, creatine, sodium, ammonium, potassium, magnesium, chloride, phosphate, sulfate, and other substances. But the amount of water is 95%, urea 2%, uric acid 0.005, creatinine 0.075, sodium 0.35, ammonium 0.04, potassium 0.15, and others 1.275. So these are the substances which is present in urine. So the large amount of water present in urine. Okay, boys, let's watch a video.
Stop. Do you know which system of your body takes the extra liquid out of your body? Did you know that most of the food we eat also contains a lot of liquid? But you don't know which parts of your body throw extra liquid out. Imagine what would happen if all the liquid stayed trapped in your body. So you think a blast would occur in your tummy if your body didn't get rid of extra liquid? It does not happen like that. The body has certain parts which take care of extra liquid. All these parts are part of the urinary system. This is also called the excretory system. Let's understand more. The main parts of the urinary system include 2 kidneys, ureters and bladder, and a urethra. The kidneys are 2 bean-shaped organs. All of the body's blood passes through it, and it filters the blood, and waste liquid is changed into urine. The kidney is made up of several small cells called nephrons that are like small filters. They keep all the nutrients and good blood contained and convert waste into urine. from the kidney. This urine goes into two very thin tubes. These tubes are called ureters. From the ureters, it goes into a balloon-like organ called the bladder. When the bladder becomes full, then you feel like going to the washroom to pee. From the bladder, it passes out of the body from a part called the urethra. Oh, it seems your bladder is full too. Do you want to go to the washroom? Can you hold it in for some time? Do you know which muscle helps you to stop pee for some time? There is a muscle lining around the bladder called the sphincter. It stops and holds the flow of urine until you reach the washroom. Okay, go empty your bladder now. Goodbye.
Okay, guys, I think you got some knowledge from this video about excretory system. Okay, kidney stone. Kidney stones are small, hard deposits of mineral and acid salts on the inner surface of the kidneys. Kidney stones usually range in size from as small as a grain of sand to the size of a chickpea. They can even be as large as golf balls. There are several risk factors for developing kidney stone. These risks can include not drinking enough liquid or water. So who do not drink enough water, they can affect by kidney stones. Eating high protein diet. So who eat high protein diet, they can suffer from this disease. Having a family history of kidney stones. So genetical history is also a reason of kidney stones, formation of kidney stones. Having a blockage in the urinary tract. Obesity. So obesity is another reason for kidney stones. Gender, I mean male. So male is suffer this disease than female because male takes lot of protein than female. High blood pressure. It is also another reason. Sedentary lifestyle. I mean who lead their life in inactive, they can suffer this disease. Symptoms: abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting, in some cases reduced or stopped urine, burning sensation during urination, a very dull and steady pain in the lower back. So look, this man feel back pain, so it is the symptoms of kidney stones. Whole body may swell up. Loss of albumin, loss of albumin during urination is also symptoms of kidney stones. Treatment: uteroscopic, ultrasonic, lithotripsy, surgical operation is the treatment of this disease. Prevention: drink 3 liters of fluids per day, sufficient amount of water, lemonade, diet low sodium, low protein, exercise, increase activity. Don't pass your time in sedentary inactive motion. So you have to always active in different works. Dialysis. When kidneys are badly damaged or inactive, then the blood can be filtered by a scientific method is called dialysis. Generally, dialysis is done by a dialysis machine. Dialysis means to pass through. It removes nitrogenous waste product from the blood by means of artificial kidney. One end of the dialysis tube of the dialysis machine is led to the artery of patient's wrist, and another end is led to the vein of same wrist. Blood from the artery passes into the dialysis tube. The wall of the dialysis tube is partially semi-permeable. So urea, uric acid, other harmful substances are filtered. The purified blood enters into the patient's body through the vein. The dialysis tube is submerged in a liquid similar to that of blood plasma. In this way, harmful nitrogenous waste is excreted out through dialysis machine. This process is very expensive and time consuming. Look, this is the figure of dialysis process. This is dilated salt, this is semi-permeable membrane. Now kidney transplantation. Kidney transplantation is another treatment of kidney damage. So kidney transplant provides better long-term survival and improved quality of life compared to dialysis. So it is better than dialysis. Patient survival and transplant success has been progressively improving over the years. Kidney transplant saves lives, improves quality of life, and saves cost. Before transplantation, matching of tissue is necessary. The probability of matching of kidney tissue is higher with patient's father, mother, siblings, and close relatives. The original kidneys are not usually removed unless they are causing severe problems such as uncontrollable high blood pressure, frequent kidney infections, or are greatly enlarged. The artery that carries blood to the kidney and the vein that carries blood away is surgically connected to the artery and vein already existing in the pelvis of the recipient. Look, this is transplant kidney attached with urinary bladder. So this is bladder. This is damaged kidney. Okay, boys, have any questions? If you have any query, then ask me through SMS. Okay, boys, your sample question. First question: what is the name of the fibrous layer of kidney? Renal artery, renal vein, renal pelvis, renal capsule. Which one is correct? Number D, renal capsule. Number 2, due to the presence of which the color of urine becomes light yellow. Creatinine, urochrome, ureter, uric acid. The answer is B, urochrome. Number 3, intake of which one of the following makes urine alkaline? Fruits, egg, fish, butter. Answer is A, fruits. Acidity of urine increases of which type of foods? Lipid, protein, vitamin, carbohydrate. Answer is B, that is protein. Which one is the unit of kidney? Neuron, dendrite, nephron, pelvis. Answer is C, nephron. Number 6. What is the function of kidney? Maintain the balance of mineral salts, maintain the locomotion of the body, maintain the hormone secretion, maintain the nerve impulse. So answer is A, maintain the balance of mineral salts. Number 7. Nephron contains renal corpuscle, renal tubule, glomerulus. Which one is correct? 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. So all are correct. So answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Now it's time to your homework. Your first question, what is medulla? Number B, how water balance is maintained in human body? Number C, draw the label diagram of the structural and functional unit of figure A. So figure A is kidney, so its structural and functional unit is nephron. So you have to draw the figure of nephron and labeling is different parts. Number D, how is it possible to continue excretion of a kidney failure person by using figure B analysis? Figure B is dialysis. So you have to analyze the dialysis process. Okay, boys, wash your hands frequently during coughing. Use elbow. Don't touch your face with your hands. Maintain social distance everywhere. And if you feel sick, then stay at home. Thank you, boys, and see you in my next class.